very excited to be back in the kitchen today to show y'all another new recipe using Superior Catfish. And I'm joined by the great Steve Azar, country music legend.
Superior yourself, Mark.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. Steve.
Good to be here. Thank you.
Well, thank you for coming. I mean, it's not every day we get a superstar like you.
Nah, I don't know about that, but we're rocking the kitchen. You're the superstar in the kitchen.
Well, thank you. Now we're making a catfish dip. We're gonna start off with about 2 or 3 fillets, maybe a half a pound or so, 8 ounces of boiled catfish. So I just boil it,
right?
100% posted. If you want to go a little slower, have it stay together. But I just threw it on the stove with a little bit of water and just let it cook. So I want it to be able to fall apart like this. It's still steaming a little bit, so we're not gonna quite add it in yet. But I mean, it falls apart. It's flaky. Well, that's cooling down. We're gonna get started on this dip right here, and I'm gonna have you taste near the end. So
okay.
I won't put you to work physically, but I gotta put those taste buds to work.
I'm a little bored over here.
Well, hey, don't worry about it. So we're going in with about half a stick of cream cheese, going with a couple tablespoons, probably what?
Keep it game day, right?
100%. All right, Mr. Steve, got us some chips, got all of our ingredients, and I'm gonna hand it over to you. Like I said.
Oh, really?
It's your time to shine right here. 100%.
Put me in?
Yes, sir. So I'm gonna walk you through what we have over here. We got some Colby Jack, some garlic, jalapeno, lemon, a lot of lemon juice, and then we got some blackened seasoning from Superior Catfish.
I love it, that blackened seasoning. I'm gonna start with the seasoning right now, because I like to see what just...
Again, well, all about color. Color is beautiful. It's gonna bring a nice orange, red tint to it. Tons of cheese.
There's not really enough cheese. You can't do it.
Never too much cheese. Jalapenos, bring that heat in. Got some hot sauce down there as well if you want to use that.
I am gonna do that. I'm gonna use some of that, and then let me see if some of this will come out.
I'm a big fan of garlic. I love it.
Squeeze lemon.
Yes, sir.
And then I like, can I throw that, just a little shot of that?
You want in there.
It'll come in.
There we go.
It's a little color, right?
Yes, sir. The color, the flavor. Let's throw in some catfish. Got about half a pound. Throw this up in here, and it's gonna fall apart once we start mixing, which is why we didn't add it in first.
Yeah. I got you.
Add this in there.
I got you. And then you use just a regular spoon, just kind of...
Just a regular spoon. I mean, if you had a spatula.
I know you don't want to ever overdo it, but why would you not? A little color?
I mean, this seasoning is money, so. All right, we got some chips over there.
Yeah.
Get you a little spoonful. You can serve this hot or warm, kind of like it is. You can serve it cold. I'm gonna grab me one.
Bon appetit, is that how we do?
Yes, sir.
Here's the Superior.
Oh, man.
You hit that on the dot. I mean, I love the heat. I feel the jalapeno in the back end. A little bit of smoky hot sauce.
I love how you keep giving me credit.
Mississippi made, Superior product,
SuperiorCatfish.com.
Yes, sir. That's where you get all these recipes at and more. SuperiorCatfish.com. Well, thank you for joining me, Mr. Steve. You killed it today.
You miss me, man?
I'm going to miss you. I'm going to miss you.
Yourself doesn't see me.
I'll have to take you up on that.
The kitchen is awaiting.
I heard.
Thank you.